over here.
Okay.
So this, where you see that like marcated wall over there, that's where the prior leak was, and they changed that area into copper. So now there's something leaking over here. Obviously it's not. Oh, here it is, right here. See the water? What?
I know the guy, and it was just a liquor store, but he should have listened. It was simple.
You know, just simply just a
Simple.
liquor
Before just
store.
everyone-
But I know you can do it. Be nice, rub his shoulders, rub his back, rub his feet, you know, I don't know.
The rig held for a long time. You were gone for like, it's been months now.